budget insurance. Affordable because you can't afford not to.
Hello and welcome to Gqeberha. We are here for two important reasons. One, to learn how to pronounce the new name. And two, to drive the Golf 8 GTI. Very excited about that. I am actually sitting in it. My colleague Ashley Oldfield, racing driver extraordinaire, is in the BMW 128 Ti. BMW designed to take on the Golf 8 GTI. It's a cold morning out here, so I'm going to warm up the tires quick. I've got the ESC system off. Let's do a little burnout here. Nice. That'll put some temperature in the tires.
Lekker put.
I put pre-workout in the tank here.
Right, DSC deactivated. Burnout time. Cook tacky.
Right, the tires are warm. Let me take you through the stats here quickly. Both cars have 2-litre 4-cylinder turbocharged engines. Both cars put out 180 kilowatts, little bit more torque in the Beamer. He's got 380, I've got 370 Newton meters. 0 to 100 time, claimed 6.3 in there, claimed 6.4 in here. And the Beamer's a little lighter, about 50 to 60 kgs lighter. So it's looking like the Beamer's got this one on paper, but on paper usually, well, sometimes doesn't translate to the reality on the drag strip. That's why we're here. Let's see which one's going to take the title.
Welcome to the best put drag race on the internet, eh? Puts in a BMW, puts in a GTR. Let's clap it. I'm ready here. Check us on. It's the only way to drive.
3,
Launch control active.
1,
go! Oh, BMW's got a good start.
Not bad from the Golf.
Shift from first to second, good for me.
And the Beamer's off.
Yep, I just gained traction better.
Look at that thing go. Am I going to pull him back?
Oh,
That thing is really moving now that I'm closing a little bit.
here comes the Volkswagen, it's coming back.
Oh, one call in.
Oh, I got to the line just in time.
Sheesh. That was close. Dear viewers, I feel like I'm doing everything right in this car and it's just not getting off the line very well. I think we have to accept that that is as good as it's going to get in this car. Okay everyone, we're moving on to a rolling race now. I think this is going to be extremely close. It was pretty close with a standing start. Difficult to get this Golf off the line. This should negate that problem. Now I think I'm going to give Ash a run for his money. Alrighty, red car ready.
3, 2, 1, go!
Put away. Second, we've got a good start.
Oh, that's a good start from the Golf. Finally, I got this thing off the line properly. We're neck and neck. I'm pulling away from him a little bit. I think I'm actually going to get this one.
No, he's just ahead.
Is he going to come back a little bit though?
Oh, we're coming back a little bit. Come on.
Yes! Fire nose!
That was close. Oh man, its middle phase was just a bit faster than me. But we had him towards the end there.
Finally! Yes, this Golf made me work hard for a bloody victory today.
In the standing start race, when the Golf changed into second gear, it had a habit of bogging down. the wheels would be overcome by the power and the traction control would cut the party, which allowed the BMW to jump ahead. I really tried my best to drive around the issue, and we think that what we've shown you here was about as good as it was going to get for the Golf. Coming up next, don't miss the next video in the series where the Golf 8 GTI takes on the Toyota GR Yaris.
Cars.co.za is so much more than just a YouTube channel. You've got to check out our app. It's been downloaded over 1 million times in the South African Android store alone. The links are in the description below, and I promise you it is the easiest way to find your next car.
Budget insurance. Affordable because you can't afford not to.